Hi, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I wrote a poem that I'd like to share with you. It's called Vices, Hooks, and Screws. 3 tools tear apart, 3 remain unseen, 3 schools to impart, meaning from a dream. Pulled in all directions, sides are pressing in, cracks form objections, ignored too often. Vices squeeze away, addictions tighten, many caught in play, tension will heighten. Push and pull to crime, confined like an inmate, go, 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 all time, hyper stimulate. Hooks advertise well, pulling down willpower. Placement is crucial, act within the hour. Twisting attachment to believe is cruel, forced enactment, purchase like a fool. Screws attach labels, fashioned under brands, needs and wants enables, work for defined hands. 3 tools now exposed, manipulating, open lines now closed, forward by seeing. Our society portrayed in the news, informed not to see, vices, hooks, and screws. Thank you. I really appreciate your time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.